If you are a newly diagnosed person, you typically feel the weight of being the only one. There are other people, hundreds to thousands of people that are living with HIV.
From my own experience, it took me a very long time to even consider going to get tested because of the stigma. But once I did, I began to understand that it's not really that bad. I did not know about all of the resources that was available.
Stigma is a large barrier to HIV prevention, such as PrEP, but also people being tested, as well as treatment, as well as staying in care.
The biggest myth I heard is HIV was a gay disease. Getting into a relationship with you really taught me that that is not the case, and it opened my eyes to everyone can get HIV.
It was important for me that we began our relationship openly.
I truly believe that love is a verb, that we can't just say that we love others. We have to outwardly demonstrate it on a daily basis.
There's hope after the diagnosis. It's not a death sentence.